Welcome to video number 4 of my training series. Today I'm going to show you how to use a tracking ID in order to figure out where your leads are coming from. This will help you to know which capture pages are working best for you and from what locations. First thing you're going to want to do is log in to the Empower Network. As you can see, I'm on the empowernetwork.com. Click on the login link. Type in your username and password and click on login and start blogging. We're now inside of the Empower Network back office. You have your tabs here at the top. You want to go to My Tools and click on Tracker. In here you'll see all the campaigns you've already created. What we're going to do is we're going to add a campaign. Once we've created the campaign, then we're going to go ahead and add a tracker to that campaign. In this case, the campaign we're going to name my blog campaign tracker. I'm going to copy this and put that phrase into the description. It's just easier for me to track things that way because the name pretty much explains it. And then you're going to create the campaign. Once you're done creating the campaign, you'll get this green bar up here that says the campaign was successfully created. You're going to go back to View Campaigns and find the one you just created. Mine's right here. And you're going to go ahead and click on View. Now anything you do within this particular view is going to affect this one campaign here. Now you can use either this plus button here where it says Add Tracker, or you can come down here to the bottom where there's a list of trackers. As you can see, it's empty because I haven't added any yet. So I click Add Tracker. Now I want to name this tracker based off of the capture page that we're going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click down here on the Please Select URL option and select one of the capture pages. These are all the capture pages that Empower Network has put together to help us to sell the product so they can take care of making our leads into clients. So I'm going to choose this first one here. And what I'm going to do eventually is make a separate one for each one of these capture pages. So I'm just going to start here at the top, which is the Almost a Secret capture page. I'm going to type that name up here, and once again, it's very descriptive of what I need, so I'm just going to copy and paste and put that in the description as well. Now, I don't have any cost in using this, so I'm not going to put any cost here. I also don't have any pay-per-click cost here. That's what PPC stands for, is pay per click. I'm going to leave this as a text link. I have the option of an image, but I don't really want to use an image right now. I'm just going to use this as a text link. You can upload an image later with one of yours if you have a different campaign you want to put together. But I'm going to use the text link. I'm going to type in the title is the same as the name and the description. And the text link I'm going to put in click here. That's kind of universal language in the internet for click here. Most people know what to do when they see that. Hopefully they will click there. So down here at the Add Tracker button, we're going to go ahead and click Add Tracker. And you've now created a new tracker that will take anyone who clicks that button to the Almost a Secret capture page. So now I'm going to go back to the campaign. There's a nice little link up here that takes me back there. All right. This is the My Blog campaign tracker. So the campaign we created. We just created the tracker for Almost a Secret, which shows up down here in the list. You can go back and edit anything you just typed in. You can view the tracker, and that'll show you all the details about that tracker. As you can see on the right-hand side here, it's going to tell you impressions. That's how many people landed on that page. And this is the number that's really going to help you in figuring out which one of these capture pages is working for you. The clicks will tell you how many people have actually clicked on it. Down here in conversion, once again, it's going to show you how many times it's been hit, how many people have typed in their email address in order to see the video, how many people followed through and clicked through the email that says, yes, I want to receive information about this system. Blogging system, how many people signed up for the blogging system, the $25 sale. This is the inner circle, how many of the people who signed up became a member who have also decided to purchase the $100 a month Inner Circle Mastermind. This is the Costa Rica Intensive, which is the $500 sale, one-time purchase. The 15K Formula, which is the $1,000 one-time purchase. And then the Master's Course, which is the one-time $3,500 purchase. So this will tell you not only how many people went through the capture page, but what they did after that. It's going to keep this information attached to them, so you'll be able to track to see if they came through Almost a Secret, how many of them got all in, which is very good information to know. If you actually had a cost, a fixed cost or a pay-per-click cost, that information would show up down here so you could see how well that particular pay-for campaign had worked for you. Since this is a non-paid campaign, this information will give you numbers once you start making sales that are astronomical because it's based on a zero price. Now, since you're looking at this page, go up here, you can press on this button here that says Get Code. Once you get the code, you're going to go ahead and choose your link. So down here, well, let's start up here, the referral link. If you know HTML and you know how to make a link inside of the blog, you can just copy this and put it into the system. Otherwise, you can go ahead and take this, which uses the title and the text link that we had typed in. So I went ahead and copied this. Now I want to take this and put it on my blog. So I'm going to go up here to one of these three tabs. Each one of them has this green button here that says Log in and Start Blogging. And I'm going to create a post that has this link in it. I'm going to type in a simple My First Tracker link. This is an example, so when you're writing a regular blog, you would use whatever title and body that you have. Click over here on text. See, it has visual and text. Text is a term used to reference HTML code. So you're going to see raw data in here. Go ahead and press the paste. All right. I'm using the keyboard shortcut keys. If you watched the rest of my videos, you'll know how to use those. But you can also do the right click and choose paste to push that in there. See, it's going to tracking and powernetwork.com scripts, and it's going to use your ID, right? So you know where it's coming from when it hits there. I'm going to click back on visual, and this is what the person will see. Almost a Secret, click here. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this so you can see how it looks on the site. Clicking on Publish. I could have previewed it, but I really want to show you what's out there and possible. Go up here to your site name, visit the site, and here you go. My First Tracker link. Click to continue. Almost a Secret. and you can click this here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this so you can see where it's sending the person you referenced. As you can see, your ID is in here, and the AID and the BID. These are important because this tells the system how many people have clicked through. This is where they type in their email address, and they click on Access Now. Now, if we go back to the Empower Network backend, go back to the tracker, it's going to reload. It now shows 3 impressions and 1 click. 1 hit because we went to the page. We did not type in our email address and access the video, so it's not going to record a lead. Now you know how many people are seeing the link, how many people are clicking the link. This number and this number should be the same, clicks and hits. So once you get down here to the bottom, you can see how many people bought what. This is how you make a tracker. I certainly hope this helps you in keeping track of who is running through your system and who is able to purchase and how those conversions are happening.